Good evening, ma'am.
Sleeping there, long time no see. Good evening, guys. Turn on your cameras quickly.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening. What did you do in the holidays? Or how many PYQs have been done? I can only ask you this. Yes, Kunika. How many PYQs done?
I don't know the count, but I did Himanshu Pandey.
Ah, okay. Okay. And what about you, Priyansh?
I was doing board level questions because my half yearly is near. Uh, I have like after my half yearlies, I start doing PYQs. I'll have 3 months, 3 months from exams. So
When are your holidays beginning? I think they've already started.
holidays,
Summer holidays have already
holidays.
started.
No, 2nd July. But like after my half yearly, which is 23rd June, I'm free. So I'll start doing PYQs from that day.
Achha, sounds like a plan. What about you, Piyush?
I mainly did maths and physics only, and chemistry
Oh,
I did.
why?
बिकॉज़ केमिस्ट्री मतलब
ये तो
खुद से मेरे से
अनफेयर हो
होता
गया।
नहीं। हम केमिस्ट्री में से खुद से होता नहीं है, मैथ्स बेस मेरा स्ट्रांग है ना इसलिए
तो
और मैं
क्या खुद से
खुद से
होता
कर
नहीं कि क्या
पाया।
मतलब अभी कौन किसको चाहिए तुम्हें कोई एआई साथ में चाहिए करवाने के लिए क्या केमिस्ट्री?
पढ़ नहीं पाता हूँ मैम, आता नहीं ठीक से मतलब
क्या
म
है?
दिमाग
क्या
में।
मतलब मुंह पे बेइज्जती चल रही है यहाँ पे आता नहीं है पढ़ नहीं पा रहा हूँ क्या हो रहा है ये? क्या है ये?
मेरी गलती है मैम।
तेरी गलती कहाँ है? तो मैं ऐसा लग रहा है मेरी ज्यादा है। पढ़ नहीं पाता हूँ समझ नहीं आता है। Kunika, I said it. Kunika and Roshnik are my eyewitnesses. तो कब पढ़ने का फिर इरादा है?
मैं वो आज मैंने किया है स्टार्ट केमिस्ट्री फिर से।
आज ही करा है, इतने दिनों बाद आज करा है इसने केमिस्ट्री, देखो जरा। Lakshana, what about you? Lakshana would have done the PYQs, I'm so sure about it.
Yes, ma'am. I practice questions from the
Somebody
book.
said yes. Punika and Lakshana said yes. Priyansh, though, he's preparing for Oshnik. Please say yes.
Yeah, I did. I did from questions from Himanshu Pandey, and I also started referring to LG weight because I recently found it very useful.
I had told you about LG weight, right?
Yes, yes, but back then I didn't start actually.
Don't you love the book?
I really do.
It's like music to your ears when you start understanding what the guy has to say. It is such a nice take on organic. It is just, I think that
Is it a theory book?
well written book. Huh? It's a theory. It has questions also.
I have
The back
another
questions are
theory
very good. Which one? Morrison and Boyd.
Wait,
Morrison and Boyd yogi.
it's GRB's Concept of Organic Chemistry by Himanshu Pandey.
वो तो हिमांशु है ना, वो तो हम सिर्फ थ्योरी की बात कर रहे हैं. दिस इज फॉर पीपल, दिस इज दैट इज जस्ट फॉर द लव ऑफ केमिस्ट्री. एलजी वेट इज ओनली फॉर द लव ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक.
It has a lot of theory in it. It's like 800 pages.
क्या थियरी? ये अच्छा, इस पे इट हैज थियरी आल्सो. आई जनरली डोंट रिलाई ऑन इंडियन ऑथर्स फॉर थियरी. आई डोंट. I only rely on those books. Like if I had to find out, like when we did thermodynamics, you remember? I told you that I'll be covering it from a book called Rastogi and Mishra. So that book, and there is one Atkins, Paula Atkins, एक किताब है. उसमें से you can understand the physical aspect of physical chemistry, which is not just numericals. You can actually understand what it means. Yeah, that, and yes, I really appreciate that you've started reading LG Wade. LG Wade is written with a very good perspective. बहुत अच्छी लिखी हुई किताब है वो. Very nice. And there is one book also which most of the, coaching people, they refer you, Morrison and Boyd. वो किताब मुझे कभी अच्छी नहीं लगी. I think that is it's so low grade. वो उसके सामने यू पुट हिमांशु पांडे एंड MS, उसके आगे तो कुछ है ही नहीं वो किताब. क्या इतने लल्लू लल्लू क्वेश्चंस दे रखे हैं उसमें, क्या दिया है कुछ नहीं समझ आता है. सो इतना इजी थिंग्स आर देयर. But if you go to the back questions of LG Wade, I tell you, they are such good level questions, such good questions, especially carbonyls. Very good questions, excellent questions there are. And there is a answer guide also. पीछे के questions के लिए ना एक answer guide है. वो भी शायद मेरे पास उसका PDF पड़ा होगा. अगर चाहिए तो बताना. I'll share.
Yes, I actually do.
हाँ ठीक है, I'll give it to you. I'll share it with all of you. You found the PDF or you found the hard copy of the book?
I bought the hard copy.
My blessings are with you. Seriously, वो book मुझे मेरी favorite है वो book. One of my students, she said, I'm reading. There is a book written by one of my professors. That book is called Mehta and Mehta. That is purely for graduation students. Even 12th class people can read it. That is not a problem. Now, when she said that, ma'am, have you read this book, Mehta and Mehta? I said, she's my teacher. She's taught me organic, okay? She was writing the book when we were students, like in final year. Second year, final year, she was writing the book. Final edit was done when we just left. BSc जब खत्म हो गई तो final edit version बाहर आ गया था. So after that, I told her, if you've read Mehta and Mehta, now you want another take on organic, you start reading LG Wade. Initially, she was reluctant. नहीं, Mehta में बड़े questions हैं, it's okay, हो जाएगा. Final year student. एक बार LG Wade बेटा पढ़ के तो देख. She read it and she's like, ma'am, you've given me something which I will never forget. Then she went to Daryaganj. She went to their old books are sold now there. So you can get second-hand books from there. She brought a second-hand copy of LG Wade. She was so glad reading it. Now you see, now another perspective is always required in organic. You should. This is what we do in inorganic also, which I don't suggest to you guys. One is JDL. Everybody says JDL, but with me, you will get every single sentence from JDL. Don't worry about that. That I will tell you. Even some notes of periodicity and bonding are also from J.D. Lee. If you see the sentences ना, they are exactly from there. If you see your notes, वो exactly आपको वहीं से ही मिलेंगे. So we were solving some questions, right?
Ma'am, the last doubt class was incomplete.
I know. I just want to pick up from where we left. Actually, मैं वहीं से शुरू करना चाह रही हूँ. Oshnik, Priyansh, and this one, Kunika. You need to send me a hello on WhatsApp.
Ma'am, I already sent the questions in group.
Acha. What about Kunika and Oshnik? No, right?
Okay, I texted you now.
Okay. We were on Kunika's questions or we were on Priyansh's questions? I don't remember.
My questions.
We had gone up to, if I remember, we were on this, na? 16th we had done, na beta?
Yes.
We were to do this. Acha, wait for this question because we still have to do iodoform. When you do iodoform, you'll be able to do this. Let's go to the next one. Okay. Can you all look at question number 20, which was given by him? So the question is this. What do you think it is going to attack, beta? First of all, when the reaction is with CH3Li, again acids का reaction है. Anyhow, चलो कर लो कोई बात नहीं. हाँ, कहाँ अटैक होना चाहिए बेटा?
To COH.
To COH means I didn't get you.
It can attack COH.
And what is it going to form if it attacks? Yes. क्या बनेगा बेटा अगर CH3 अगर COH के साथ रिएक्ट करेगा तो? And it is in excess.
I don't know.
The methyl can attack the carbonyl carbon.
Why would it attack the carbonyl carbon? That's the question.
Because it has
Why not the double bond? That's the question. And it is given, it is in excess.
So will it attack both?
Ma'am, so will it like attack the double bond first and then the charge will go on to.
Let's say if it attacks the double bond, which rule are we going to follow, beta?
Sidzev.
Markovnikov.
मार्कोवनिकॉफ सिट्जेफ क्यों सिट्जेफ तो एल्कीन फॉर्मेशन
Oh
के लिए
yes,
होता है
yes.
बेटा
Yeah, yeah.
ओके या ट्राई टू form that beta then it's going to have that. Hmm. Yes. Mhm. Then it should have a CH3 here also, but it's not. Even if it forms this. Is the answer C, Priyansh? C है क्या answer बेटा? Sure. C is retaining all the carbons.
Ma'am, it's A, because we are reacting with NaOH.
No, NaOH, so C is also there. That is not a problem. But then A is retaining everything. So they have not added methyl. If it's going with this. It's reacting. Wait, hold on. If it's reacting with this, then C. Then if it is this, then anything having alpha hydrogen. Should be. Yeah, okay. Hmm. So comparatively, this is a this is a C double bond C. These are both are sp2, but this is a more polar bond, right? So even if they have excess, it's going to attack here and comparatively not attack here. Even if they showed, but they gave excess, even if that attacked over here, let's say if this was also taken, it would have attacked here double bond, but there is no product which is justifying that, right? There is no product which is justifying the attack on C double bond C. So in comparison, you can write down in comparison to C double bond C and C double bond O, CH3 Li attacks this more polar bond, more polar bond. I'll have to tell you this in carbonyls, the iodoform test. Oh, they're just combining it with every single thing that they're giving. So HBr and CCl4, it's a polar A, it's a apolar aprotic solvent. So where is it going to attack, beta? It is attack. Come to question number 21, which he has asked. Is this understood by one and all, beta, whatever I wrote? Is this understood now? Question number 18. This is the question, right? HB. Why won't it attack the double bond? This you have done in hydrocarbons, right? ये क्यों नहीं करेगा बेटा? डबल बॉन्ड को अटैक क्यों नहीं करेगा बेटा? This is a apolar aprotic solvent. That's why it will not attack double bond at all. Okay. Let's just, out of this oxygen which is attached to a tertiary carbon versus this is a primary carbon. So H plus will go and fit here. It's going to do that. And Is the answer A? क्योंकि Br tertiary carbon पे ही लगना चाहिए मेरे according to. But if it is a apolar aprotic solvent, wait. It should be then B. चेक कर बेटा एक बारी, बिकॉज aprotic solvent है तो SN2 टाइप होगा और वो प्राइमरी पे ज्यादा अटैक करेगा.
A.
I was just guessing. It's not. It is SN2, but it is. I think. So this is getting formed over here. Don't you think it should be B because it is SN2 type? SN2 type would favor this. Now you just have to do this loss of HBr. Because this is an acidic hydrogen, it will leave. It will give you A, product A. My confusion is just still between SN1 and SN2. SN2 should be promoted, so attack should be on OH, not O18. And HBr will break. Do you follow this? Why it will not remain as C and D? Now you get it? Because another OH is there. It is bound to attack over there. Yes, you guys?
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
understood by
Yes,
all of
ma'am.
you?
But then
Primary, हाँ बेटा.
why not B then? I mean, what's
That's what I was saying, because in a apolar aprotic solvent, but SN2 has polar aprotic solvent, not apolar aprotic solvent. Now you come to think of it, polar aprotic. ये तो apolar aprotic है ना. This has dipole moment 0. CCl4 is apolar aprotic. It will have Br minus in very low concentration. So if it has Br minus is in very low concentration, it will preferentially attack here and not here. Okay. ठीक है, Kunika?
So here it will follow SN1.
It will fall. See, now here I think because they have given apolar aprotic solvent, so that is anyways going to, it's not going to really increase the electrophilicity of the tertiary carbocation. So one which is most easily formed, it will attack first that. So most easily formed kaun sa hai? Tertiary wala na, instead of the primary wala. That's why. Understood? Kunika beta.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Primary amines. Question number 33, you just write one thing. Primary amines on diazotization. Primary alkyl amines. Primary alkyl amines on diazotization. Everybody knows diazotization reaction by now, na? You know, na? Gives you alcohols on treatment with water. Just give me a minute. Yes, yes. Where was the value? Okay, I'm just planning, you guys. I'm just planning one thing. I just thought, like, when we have our regular session, why can't we, like, every alternate Sunday, we have a 2-hour session on this, like doubt clearing? What do you say? कर ले? आओगे? Attend करोगे?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
प्रियांश नो बोलने वाला था, उससे पहले दो लोगों ने हाँ बोल दी.
Ma'am, actually, we have maths class, JE class on Sunday.
Not evening. I'm talking about early morning.
But then I will not be able to attend
Why?
because
is wrong with you?
Sundays I have to go to school. I'll just see the recording then.
ठीक है.
So
I just meant for your benefit, nothing else. मेरे को तो कुछ नहीं. Okay, you've written this.
Sunday, what time it would be?
What do you get? What time do you get up, my dear?
Ma'am, according to the class, I'll get up.
9 to 10 morning. 9 to 10. 9 to 9 o'clock you get up.
Oh.
Don't sleep after the sun has risen. It is a bad thing to do. Okay. And don't sleep after the sun has risen. Right? Sleep in the sense, don't say a good night at 6 a.m. There is a student in 10th class I know. Can you believe she sleeps at 4 in the morning? Like, 10th class mein kare, what will she do for NEET? I mean, she has to become a doctor like her parents. Like, ये क्या सोएगी ही नहीं रात में जब डॉक्टर बनेगी तो she will not sleep only. What 10th class syllabus? Imagine what. Now you look back. And how we have fooled you. Carbon has 4 bonds. It has tetracovalency, catenation. I love science. And after that, किसे पता था ये होने वाला है? I feel you've been scammed as kids. I really feel that. है ना पीयूष? पीयूष सही में यार मैंने तो सोचा था बहुत अच्छी ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री स्कैम हो गया मेरे साथ. One of my students, she actually said this to me. Ma'am, how nice you guys are in 10th grade. You're like, carbon has 4 bonds. Structural isomerism. You'll give bromopentane. You make isomers of this. And in class 11, cut to you giving biphenyl isomerism, making a fool out of all of us. I said, what did we do? Hey, you guys are fooling us, man. Look at organic chemistry syllabus. You guys can ask anything. And I told her Birnbaum-Simonini reaction. Remember in Halo Alkanes we did one reaction. She said, "Ma'am, you are scamming us. You are really scamming us. 10th class में पता था ये reaction दोगे आप? क्या चल रहा है? I said, okay, fine, Baba. We are scamming you. So major product in the above reaction is okay. पहले तो tertiary carbocation ही बना लो ना यहाँ पे. Okay, OH. इसको पहले यहाँ से N2 रिलीज होगा ये वाला कार्बोकेटाइन बनेगा देखो इधर गया. Oh, sorry, there is a H here, right? If this is the case, what do you think is going to happen, bache? I have done this reaction with you. Oh my God, I have done this reaction with you. Do you guys remember what reaction is this? Remember pinacol, pinacolone? ये वही है.
Yes. B बन रहा है क्या प्रोडक्ट? प्रियांश फिनाइल शिफ्ट होगी यहाँ पे मेरे हिसाब से. फर्स्ट एक्चुअली यहाँ पे ना एक OH बन जाता है विद HNO2. It reacts finally with water because nitrous acid पानी में है. So first carbocation and then it forms OH. Then obviously in acidic medium. Huh?
It's forming A.
क्यों भाई? तो मैंने क्या बनाया? Oh, it's the difference in stereoisomers. Okay, okay, fine. It's just the attack from one side and the other side. Nah, that's what it is now. That's it. That is what the difference is, na, in A and B, right?
Yes.
So, okay. Okay, it's from the opposite side. Fine. Fine, I agree. It's from the opposite side. Fine. But you understand what I'm giving here. It is a phenyl shift, right? Then from the other side, the product is getting formed. ठीक है बेटा? Note it down, beta. Absolutely correctly, you note it down. Note, I mean, mention that there is a phenyl shift. Okay, beta? Each one of you.
So phenyl shift will take opposite to the leaving of OH, right?
जी बेटा, yes. Write down 34 question is a doubt, Priyansh, or not?
HiO4 undergoes will oxidize OH.
You write down HiO4 is known as periodic acid. It oxidizes cis diols. It oxidizes cis diols to next carbonyls. Next carbonyls का ये मतलब है ऐसा. मतलब it's going to form this. ना? ये. अभी तो this is sp2 hybridized, तो now तो the stereoisomerism का कुछ बात ही नहीं है बेटा, right? ठीक है जी? First step, okay? With a HiO4, it's gonna look like this, okay? This is A. ठीक है. Lithium aluminium hydride. Now you know what lithium aluminium hydride does? Everybody knows. I've taught you in the synthesis of
Yes.
alcohols. चलिए करिए. It will give you 2 sets of alcohol, correct? How many chiral carbons you have? You have 2 chiral,
Two.
2 chiral carbons. बेटा एक तो इसमें मीजोफॉर्म भी बनेगा. 2 chiral carbons, 1 mesoform will be there. Answer should be 3. Is it 3?
Yes, it's 3.
You see na, see here बच्चे. एक तो one there is a symmetry angle ना. See both sides the answer, the groups are same. So 2 raised to power n minus 1. I told you na, mesoform you have to subtract. So 4 minus 1 3. प्रियांश जल्दी से बता बेटा दूसरा क्वेश्चन कौन सा, अदरवाइज ओशनिक will kill me today.
Okay,
Punika
ma'am.
will also kill me. 45.
Yes.
Which of the following reactions require oxidizing agent? तुम मुझसे ये क्वेश्चन क्यों पूछ रहे हो प्रियांश? ये तो तुम्हें आना चाहिए.
Oh wait, yeah, that is not doubt.
ये मैं आंसर भी नहीं कर रही. I'm not answering this
46.
question. It's too easy.
Ma'am, I know that. I know that. What
You
is-
should. You better. हाँ तो क्या करना है इसमें NaBH4 के साथ अल्कोहल बनेगा, उसके साथ एस्टर बना दे बेटा, वही प्रोडक्ट है. बना रहे हैं एस्टर के नहीं बना रहे हैं लोग? नहीं बना रहे यार,
No,
एस्टर
but
भी नहीं
like
बना
the
रहे.
stereo, like how is the stereochemical aspect?
They are not even. Why
Can
are
you
they
check the
forming?
option?
Okay, the acid is not given. Okay, fine, leave it. Acid is not given to form the alcohol. See, all of you know that option number C is a crazy option. Option number D is also crazy option. All of you getting it or not? Do you agree with me? पहले उसको eliminate कर दो. प्रियांश आया समझ में कि नहीं आया?
Yes.
Okay. So now the wait. Wait. इसको ऐसे करो. 1 and 3. तो ये तो ऊपर ही हो सकता है. Above the plane of the paper, right? So A होना चाहिए ना? H plus will approach from
A.
back side ना? हाँ
It's A.
हाँ A ही होना चाहिए, B हो नहीं सकता because see now you understand from here बेटा. इधर देख बेटा बच्चे. First of all the hydride donor is there ना. First of all hydride is given by NaBH4 ना. तो अगर ये ऐसे जाएगा तो hydride comes from here ना बेटा. To avoid steric hindrance, see both are above the plane of the paper. This cannot be below. This has to be above. This has to be above. This has to be above. So if that is the case, then it should be to avoid steric hindrance. It should fall behind the plane of the paper. इस क्वेश्चन को ऐसे करना है. ओके ठीक है. अब समझ में आया प्रियांश?
Yes, ma'am.
अरे what? Wait, hold on. What संबंध हो गया? One second. One second. किधर गया? Sorry, my WhatsApp has just closed because of too much of data in this. I really need to shift. Anyone knows how to clear data from all these devices? Yeah, how do I get my WhatsApp back? Keeps on closing all the time. Anybody having any idea?
Ma'am, you can use
Help me.
inbuilt cleaner app.
कौन सा है?
There might be a cleaner app in your phone that
नहीं अभी तो नहीं है. सब कुछ तो नहीं क्लीन कर देगा.
no, not
नहीं
everything,
मैम,
but like
आपका बस कैश रिमूव कर देगा, मतलब कैश फाइल्स रिमूव कर देगा.
अच्छा. What is the name of the app?
see if there's a cleaner
क्लीनर
app.
मैम.
Yeah,
Just type cleaner, huh?
yeah.
यस.
Okay, sounds good. I'll do that. I'll do that. Sometimes it's so bad because every वो पूरा एकदम, it's just that all the doubts and all are in one phone. Now another phone is there, but what to do now? I don't. Yeah, it's better now. हाँ. आज मैंने इसके डाउट सॉल्व नहीं करे तो कौशिक मुझे मार डालेगा. कौशिक वेट. Kौshik will end up coming to Delhi. I would appreciate that, but yeah, I would appreciate if you came happy, not mad at me. I think the first one that you sent we already did last
Yes,
time, right?
yes, we did.
Yes. Even the second one, if I'm not wrong. I remember doing this in class, not sure. Which of the following compound is differentiated? Which one is a doubt? Like 151 or 151, right? Is differentiated by NaHCO3 as well as NaOH.
Ma'am, I think we have not done 24th, have we?
Achha, I'll just see. Is differentiated. See, the next question which says which of the following is differentiated by NaHCO3 as well as NaOH. So D will not give you NaHCO3 and D will not also give you NaOH, right? So D, that is not this thing. Same with B, yeah?
Yes.
But A is anyways not giving this NaOH will be given by both A ना, दोनों से गिव करेगा है ना, तो सी तो बचा ऑप्शन, फिर डाउट क्यों है ये कौशिक?
No, back then I just wanted to know the mechanism, but I think it's cleared now. My only doubt is 24th and the last
अच्छा
one.
अच्छा अच्छा, this is a lactone. Lactone is a cyclic ester, first of all. लिथियम एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्राइड, फिर वाटर, अच्छा वो तो उसके बाद वर्कअप है उसका, एंड रेड फास्फोरस और HI.
Ma'am, can you
हाँ जी
put the
बेटा.
question? Can you
ये
see the
औशनिक
question?
जरा इसको डालना बेटा, उसको क्वेश्चंस को उसमें. रेड फास्फोरस और HI तो उसको भी ले जाएगा. लिथियम एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्राइड, find all the possible 5 and 6 membered lactones. Okay. रुको. इसको करके देखना जरा. Just subjected to the sequence. देखो जरा क्या बनता है. Red phosphorus and HI, I told you na, it will reduce everything. Everything. Directly, it will go give this. Beta देखो. One of the strongest reducing agents ever. Write in your notebook also. All carbonyl acids, it will give alkane. ठीक है बेटे? So tomorrow's class, I would really appreciate if everybody could bring in their doubts. More doubts we can discuss. Huh? Kunika's doubts are left. So more doubts we will do. Okay, ठीक है?
You
और भी
said-
लाने हैं तो please bring it. हाँ जी बेटे.
You said it was like the Esther thing and we were going to do it later.
In your doubts.
Yeah,
अच्छा,
you said
ठीक
it
है.
was like related to Esther's.
Where is the doubt? Ether, not Esther.
Yeah, Esther.
We are just going to do it now. We did alcohols and phenols. Now we are yet to start ethers, na? Or we did ethers.
We started with the methods of preparation.
We are done with Williamson synthesis. कर लिया Williamson.
We
We just did ether formation.
We
Ether
did,
formation using H2SO4 na at 413
we
Kelvin.
did
That we did na.
dehydration of
Yeah.
alcohol.
तो Williamson तो नहीं करा ना हमने. हम if you guys if we are done with ethers tomorrow, like if you're done with the doubts tomorrow, let's start ethers, finish it off, and then we were going to physical na next week. Physical chemistry कर रहे हैं ना next week.
Yes. ma'am.
Do all the questions of solutions. वो concentration terms वाले. Solutions ही करना था ना हमने कि कुछ और करना था. Sorry, my memory is faint.
Solutions and chemical kinetics.
हाँ ठीक है समझ गई मैं. जून में खत्म करो यार 2 चैप्टर और. ठीक है Kunika, I got that. Okay, so this one is it. So are you getting this as a product, beta? मिल रहा है इससे product को? I'm sure मिलेगा.
Yes. What about the others?
Just going to that. Wait. It is saying 5 or 6 membered, na? You can just vary the chain then. ये भी तो हो सकता है. But you will not get this, no. Wait, hold on. Then you won't get this. You won't get this. Don't put it here. Wait, hold on. Let's put number 1 over here. Let me draw all of this and get back to you, yeah? I have to start. my
Yes,
notes.
ma'am. Thank you.
T6 H10. Wait, hold on. Is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Is
There
it
has to
matching with
be-
the formula?
I think there has
Beta.
to be another methyl.
No, is this no 6 तो बन रहे हैं. I'm telling you, is it matching with the formula? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 तो है. 6 तो है बेटा. This has 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. हाँ, so this is matching na. O2. This is okay. We can do a cyclic thing with the third carbon. I'll make it and I'll get back to you, right? Let me just draw this. I have to start my next class. The kids are very low. Want me to start at 7:59. Okay. I will see you in tomorrow's class, right? Bring in more doubts so that we can discuss. Okay? Bring in more doubts. Okay then. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank
Bye,
you.
guys. Take care.
Ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.